Welcome to Textile TV. In this video I am going to show you circular knitting machine. Now I am in circular knitting machine production floor. I show you whole production process of circular knitting machine. First process is to feed yarn package into quill. Then set machine, needle, sinker, cam and others as per fabric GSM and fabric design. Then start machine. See knitting process running here. Withdraw fabric roll from machine and set a new roll. This fabric roll sent to inspection section for inspecting the quality of fabric and then finally sent to store for next process. Thank you for watching this video. Please like this video, give your comment in comment box and share to your friend. Please subscribe our channel to support us and press bell icon for update video notification.